How can Python script replicate directory structures for deployment? Imagine you have a complex folder setup ready for a project, but you need to recreate it on another computer or server quickly. That's where Python can help you automate the process. Instead of copying each folder manually, Python can do it for you in just a few lines of code. First, you need to understand how to explore or traverse the source directory. Python's OS module has functions like os, scandir, and oswalk that make this easy. Os, scandir, lists all entries in a folder and can tell if they are files or directories. Oswalk is more powerful because it walks through every subfolder recursively, giving you the full structure. It provides a tuple with the current directory path, a list of subdirectories, and a list of files. Once you know the structure, you can recreate the folders at your destination. The function os, makeDirs, creates a directory and all its parent directories if they don't exist. By looping through the directory paths from oswalk, you can build the same folder hierarchy at the new location. If you want to copy not just the folders but all the files inside, Python's shutl module offers a handy function called shutl copy tree. This copies the entire directory tree from a source to a destination. It automatically creates the target folder if it doesn't exist and copies all files and subfolders. It also preserves file permissions and timestamps, which is useful for deployment. In recent Python versions, you can add dirs exist OK is equal to true to shutl copy tree to allow copying into an existing directory. This helps when you want to merge contents rather than overwrite everything. For example, if you only want to replicate the folder structure without copying files, you can use oswalk with os makeDirs. Here's a simple script. Import os. Source is equal to source. Destination is equal to destination. For dirpath dirnames filenames in os, walk source. Destdir is equal to os path, join destination os path, real path dirpath source. Os makeDirs, destdir exist OK is equal to true. And if you want to copy the entire directory tree with files, just use import shutl. Source is equal to source. Destination is equal to destination. Shutl copy tree, source, destination, dirs exist OK is equal to true. Using these tools from Python's os and shutl modules makes automating directory setup for deployment straightforward. You can quickly replicate complex folder structures or copy entire projects with just a few lines of code. This approach saves time and reduces errors, especially when deploying software or managing multiple environments.